Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Wi-Fi digital picture frame touchscreen 10-inch. In the box, you'll get a user manual, power adapter, stand, and digital picture frame. This digital picture frame has 16 gigabytes of photo and video storage space. As it's touchscreen based, that's how you control the frame. You can swipe, tap to zoom, and access all settings. This digital photo frame also features a USB port and SD card slot, so you can play pictures directly from storage. However, you can't upload from those devices. If you want to store a picture on the frame, you'll need to email or transfer it. There's no remote, and you only use the app to email photos to the display. The setup process is easy. You simply download the free Our Photo app and follow on-screen instructions. The app is very simple to navigate. Below it are tiles that allow you to take a photo or video to send to the digital picture frame. Look at your device's list or history of sent pictures. You can also decide whether photos are shown in full screen or not. If you don't choose full screen, images that don't match the frame's orientation will be displayed centered, with blurred bars on either side. If you opt for full screen, the picture will be centered and cut off.
A young planet. Sensors. If you think you've seen it all, prepare to be amazed.
The device's home screen features a clock, alarm and weather app, which can be customized to your location. It also has a basic calendar. Also supports the SD card and USB drive connectivity to enable you to read the files and export the received photos and videos for better album management.